Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So today we're going to show you the iZEEKER 1080p dash cam. This is the GD100. So show you a couple things. It's got motion detect, wide dynamic range, G sensor protection, and it's got a loop recording. Okay, let's get started. So let's go over a couple of things that you get. You get a suction cup. You get another mounting bracket. This has 3M tape on one side. You also get a tool here. You get a very long cigarette lighter charging cable. You also get a USB cable as well. You get a little pin, and you get the actual cam itself. Now, as you can see, it's a really nice cam. I actually like this a lot. It's compact, it's sleek. It almost reminds you of a digital camera. So you can put an SD card in here. You have all your buttons right there. On the top here, you can also mount it different ways. You got more buttons on the side here. And you have... So let's go ahead and test this out. Here you can see up close what it looks like. It's really nice. It definitely gets an A for style. Alright guys, so we got our dash cam set up. We're just gonna mount it and test it out. So I'll add some footage from the cam and show you guys. Okay guys, I just disconnected the cam. I'm going to reposition it better on our windshield, but I want to give my final thoughts. Overall, I'm very happy with it. It performed good and saved good, so I'm very happy.